Okay, well, we've got bags. What's this then? Arr.
Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles. Okay.
Put a bid in. Let them know that we're not backing down.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
We won.
Let's go!
Okay, guys, we won at 460. We'll see you soon.
I actually got outvoted on this, so
Yeah.
let's see if their hunches are correct. If they are, I shall be humbled and apologize. But
Or
if they're wrong,
we're wrong.
we'll chalk it up to a newbie mistake.
Nope, Mama C's right. We got this one. Let's go see what's inside.
This may actually end up a better unit than I thought. The dude's a collector, we might find a collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up taking this guy home and then open him up. But until then, I guess you're just going to have to wait. Because if that's what I think it is, then that's good fine. Alright, here we go.
Alright.
$1958.
Whoa. What is this? Please don't actually be meat.
I was just gonna say this one.
Open it up.
What do you think that looks like?
No idea.
Yeah, he's trying too. He's like,
Look at them.
spider.
Predator against predator.
Wow.
What is that?
Wow. This is what clowns use to slap each other. $200, something like that. Hey guys, it's Jimmy. We're going to be opening up some boxes from the HECTOR Collector unit today. These boxes are open, but we have not gone through them. We were just randomly opening them up to make sure they weren't Christmas supplies. We all know how that goes. Anyway, yes, the boxes are open. No, I didn't go through them and pack them back in. We don't do that like other people do. So, let's begin. These ones look promising. The one on my left, which would be your right, is heavy. So I'm expecting some interesting stuff in there. The one on my right, your left, is just interesting in general. So can't really describe it. It's a feeling. I'm kidding. I don't have feelings. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, Mr. Flap, you're going to piss me off, man. Alright, well, looking at starting off, this one I did pull out and ask my neighbors about, and they couldn't tell me anything about it. So I am going to have to research this one a little bit. It does have some damage. I am way too high for that. Not literally, well, sort of too, but there we go. So, anyway, this guy. That does have quite a bit of detail in there. So, that is one of the interesting ones in there. Like I said, the rest of this stuff we have not gone through. And the reason why we don't stage stuff, because like a good pirate, Cannacity cares. Alright, a bath mat. Or a very flat octopus. Not sure. Okay, well, we've got bags. What's this then? This, guys, given the weight, this just might be silver. The whole darn thing. I'm gonna have to take a sample of it and test it later on. I might actually film that process because it's boring as shit. Anyway, look at the inside of it too. Kind of wicked. Well, okay. Led Zeppelin. Wow, well preserved. Is there a record that came with this? It looks like this might have been a cassette thing. Lost. Well, that's one strike against this guy. I mean, he has kept everything else wonderfully preserved. He must just not like Led Zeppelin. To each their own. This is interesting. This definitely looks antique-ish. Now watch, I look underneath it. It says made in China. No! Oh, it's got a sticker on it though. I'm hoping that sticker is not manufactured. I think that was just put on there by some idiot that probably sold it. Because the construction of it looks pretty consistent with what you would see in like 30s, 40s. So. Anyway, I'm going to put this one in its own little baggie because I don't want the paint to get chipped. Well, look at that, guys. My namesake right there. Mr. James Marshall Hendrix, otherwise known as Jimmy. Nat King Cole. Decent. Oh, Jesus Christ, Carpenters. Ooh, Nat King Cole. They called the record close up. They really shouldn't have taken it literally. I mean, handsome dude, yes, but not that damn close. Not sure how old this one is. It is in wrapping, but still open on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's open on the side, but it's got, which preserved the front cover really well, back cover. So that might be something. Quincy Jones, Roots. Oh, from the movie Roots. Wow. That's like forever ago. It's like mystery meat of records. The State Singers, or Staple Singers. Pray On. Oof. What's all this then? A living documentary of the life of Martin Luther King. Very curious, this one. The Rolling Stones, Miss You, special disco version. James Brown. Dead on the Funk, 74 to 76. Gold Rush 79 2 LP set. Trying to get this in the correct frame there. There we go. Oh, here we go. Prince. If any of you question this guy's musical chops, check out his guitar soloing. There's a couple out there, one of which he's with Lenny Kravitz. It's so awesome. The guy was so skilled. Apparently very altruistic. Anyway, Bellefonte. Oh Jesus, the Commodores. Really had some interesting names back in the 70s. What the bollocks is this? Super Oldies Volume 4. If this is on vinyl and it says Super Oldies, what are they talking about? Like banging shit on rocks? The Crystal Mansion is one of the names of it. Oh, Steve Miller Band. There we go. I know one band on there. So, yeah. Shirley Bassey's Greatest Hits. I didn't know Shirley Bassey had any hits. So, there you go. If somebody knows of this person and is like, wow, this is the greatest person, send me a link to like a YouTube video of her. So that way I could be like, oh, okay, awesome. Or, huh? Anyway. Oh, holy shit, this is like almost literally a music book. Glenn Miller and his orchestra, second pressing. Second pressing? That definitely might be something. Let's hope. Oh. Another silver artifact. Let's hope it's silver. I'll have to do the boring thing with it. Bags! More bags. Something in a bag. Oof. More silver. I hope that's what all this is. Because that would be dope. This thing keeps rubbing on my junk and making really weird noises. So let's just remove that there. Now my junk is noiseless. I have muted my junk. Oh, because there's just, you know, a bunch of these odd bags. Black hat.
I'm a little confused at all the junk talk.
Oh, we're just talking about the bags.
Is that a brand new hat?
That's a brand new hat.
Huh.
And it's a Richardson. It seems very proud of their name. Usually when a company is very proud of their name, it's not a shit company because they don't want to waste the thread. So that might be something. Look at all the silver, or potential silver.
Wow.
Yeah, there's quite a bit there.
Wow,
And
look
it's
at
stacked.
the coloring of this.
Mm-hmm. And some very interesting records. Jimi Hendrix is in there.
Really?
Yeah, I would play it on our record player right now, but YouTube hates me, so. Anyway. Best editorial cartoons of the year, 1989. Yeah, the camera and I are just having chats. That's cool. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Arr. With you looking at that thing, it's so distracting because it's like, sorry, I know you have to in order to get, but it's just weird. So.
Gotta make sure I'm not cutting your head off.
Oh, please don't. I need that for thinking. Hey guys, it's me, Jimmy, again. Well, not Jimmy again, just Jimmy, comma, again. And we're going to be opening up a couple more boxes today. These ones I rifled out of the garage from our HECTOR COLLECTOR unit. Always interesting stuff with this guy, so let's see what else we can find. Yes, the boxes are open. No, I didn't go through them and pack them back in. We don't do that like other people do. So, let's begin. Was that too stupid? I kind of look like...
I wasn't watching because you told me not to watch.
Okay, let me do that over again.
Oh my god. Okay.
Let me take a drink of water.
Oh my god.
Easy there, Chewy.